I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe.
Welcome guys to a video, 5M finally, as the sheriff's department. Wow, buddy. I figure out my horn, you don't honk back at me. Rude. That panic button.
County 51, show myself responding. Postal 453 on an officer down. Can I get 2 more units? Start responding that way.
As usual, is en route.
County 345, I'll be en route. We're gonna get to the highway.
All units responding, switch to LSPD channel.
Kinda can't do that here. Actually, yeah, I can. Hold up.
Route to you guys at this time. Fleet attack team is not online. We'll be probably 5-10 minute ETA. I should be about 4.
Well, there we go. We're good.
.51, all units seen is 10-4. Suspect down.
Alright, well, we got to the scene.
51 to all county is. 51 to all county is. Any unit who's not currently on the scene, you can go back 10-8. Scene's gonna be code 4. Suspect down.
Alright, let's go back 10-8.
You want to be Panorama Drive, heading towards East Joshua Road, 277, taking a right on East Joshua Road.
343, show me attaching.
You want to be continuing East Joshua Road,
Nice.
passing Marina Drive right now.
Can't do it through requesting back to F.
Yeah, 10-4, get air in there. We're going to be continuing. We got 1050 spin out. It's going to be heading back towards Marina Drive.
22 that.
It's going to be a white 2-door track car. Continuing high rate speed. He's on Algonquin Boulevard now, paralleling Joshua.
Oh my god.
Going back on Joshua towards the fire station.
Okay, well, I thought no one was.
Do we have any active TEU with Star Chase?
Airwolves and Sky, we're passing 311. Liverpool 311 in.
Everyone take over.
Break off.
Good, we continue straight Joshua, passing 317. Back that way, turn into rig seats at 090.
Flipping around. Heading back towards Panorama, back on Grapeseed.
The game is
091.
just desyncing like crazy.
Still continuing northbound, actually making a right on Grapeseed Ave.
Taking a right onto Grapeseed Ave, taking another onto a dirt road, 09.
We're going to be going southwest on Grapeseed and right now heading back to where he flipped around.
Be advised, that is having radio issues.
The hell?
Levi, he just struck a motorcycle.
I don't.
Copy,
I don't know
everyone,
where
stay
the
ahead
hell
of
they're
him
at.
and on top of him, we'll try to follow you.
Johnny 46, Star Chase loaded and en route.
I need roads.
Advice, he's exceeding speeds and my crews just can't reach out. Never mind, he's been making a right on East Joshua Road and Marina Drive.
Be advised, secondary taking call outs. We're going to be taking a left onto Nyland Ave, taking another left, Alhambra. Going to be coming out the Joshua taking a left. Joshua turning around.
County 16, I'm gonna be active TEU as well and a grappler.
God damn it, come on.
So, Tim, if we can get that grappler up there, that'll be great.
It's supposed to be 293.
Be advised, I fell through the map. Disregard, my cruiser just reset.
Be advised, he tried striking me again.
Oh, he just hit the bike cop.
Be advised, he hit a motorcycle unit.
Pit, pit, pit. He's running toward the water.
I forgot I didn't have my loadout. Damn it.
In the water, Shark 1 is gonna act.
Be advised, my game is glitching. I can't see anybody right now.
Get out of the water. Come on. Give it up. God damn it.
Okay. This is interesting.
County 2 will interrogate County Med to Postal 300 on East Joshua Road for a down deputy.
Everyone, can you get thermals turned on there? He keeps going over the water. He's gonna get shot. He keeps walking around.
Oh, he is.
Oh, he's swinging on an officer. He's swinging on him.
Swing back, officer.
You better
Okay, there
swing
you
the
go.
fuck back. I'm fixing to
Be advised, he's punching units in the water.
He's fixing
Why
to
would
get
you go
fucking
in the
capped in the
water?
water.
I hope they took off their gear before they jumped in.
Oh my god, they're grabbing the wrong people. Ugh. It wasn't
Sage.
illegal to tase somebody in the water, you know.
Just shoot them. Say
You
there was a
just
shark.
shoot 'em.
State the county.
Say there was a shark out there and just shoot him.
I don't even think my bullets
Pretend,
would reach that far from
pretend he was the shark.
State the county.
They
Is the
tried to
911
fucking
call
pipe
posted
me.
260 still going on? Turn on that last transmission.
Why is my radio fucking doing that? I can't hear shit.
Cancel. Okay, John Wick.
That's bad. I had to go grab my TU fucking card. Didn't have time to throw my TEU fucking uniform. So I'm in my K9 uniform. My dog's at station right now.
Oh well. Hope he's on land. They got him. Bring my unit over there.
Fire's active if anybody needs any calls or anything.
County 2 only, can we get Stafford to Postal 300 East Joshua Road for a down deputy that was hit by a vehicle off his motorcycle?
10-4, I'm en route.
County 1, who's the deputy who's primary on that chase at 311?
I believe it's gonna be County 51.
We have an active shooter here at postal code 726 in the alleyway. We need as many mutual aid as possible.
Copy that. Any active start units mark, and if you can make your way down there to 726, make sure you let us know before you leave county. 51 will be going back to any active 71.
County 201, I can activate Bravo.
County 46. I'm not cert, but I can respawn down to 726 if need to.
Yeah, Tim, for those last 2 units that marked, you're clear, go ahead. That other unit is trying to talk over radio. I'm not hearing you, just so you know.
It's County 201, I can activate as Bravo 4 and head down there.
Yeah,
State, go ahead. Ten-4. That'll be nice.
So we're gonna be going down Route 68, check up on the state that's at postal 260. Down here at the, Jesus, down at the
County
motel.
01 to County 51.
Jeez.
Go.
Because apparently there was shots fired. I don't know if he's the only
Was
one
he
there.
primary on that pursuit that ended at 311?
It was myself and the other motorcycle unit. I lost primary after I got downed.
County 58, myself and another unit. We're responding to 260 if we can get one more unit over there.
Hey, 51, if you're requesting 726, I can make my way down there.
Looks like we're all... Ah, it's that pink Mustang. County 345, I'm gonna be 23 at postal 260. That.
51's okay.
Yeah, now we got 911 call. Okay, you gonna come up here real quick.
Just go.
County 58, show me on scene 260.
I started going over the radio at the same time.
Yeah, I know. As soon as I started talking about shots fired, LSPD came through and I was like, oh man. I tried knocking on the door. The door did open. The door is open.
Bravo 4 switching to LSPD. Colonel.
Alright, let's go. Oh, we got a body.
Body. Alright, well, it's clear. Let's just get out of here.
We got a body in here.
Oh.
We gotta get detectives down here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have to go in my head for a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna go sit inside of the car. But state is primary on this call. If y'all have anything, refer to this.
County
number
01
right here. I'll be right
to
back.
County 51. Are you able to come to 294 and process the suspect? Because I have no clue what the original reason was.
County. Can you always get your detective units down here? 'Cause I don't know about any 807, do we have any active SIU units online? Yo, hello?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there will be something about
Alright.
Y'all gonna clear off. I'm gonna start setting up crime tape and everything.
Alright.
Incoming 911 call.
Alrighty.
Oh, let's see what this 911 call is just came in. At Postal 294, there's shots fired.
You've been assigned to a call.
I don't know what's gonna be on scene at the shooting at 294.
I hope these thing doesn't kick me, hit this officer or something. I'm gonna slow down, stay behind him as much as I can. What the hell? Oh. Shit, I did not mean to turn on.
My ears are being very weird, so.
Do we know a description?
Details, I'm gonna go check the cameras, possibly. I don't know, my brain's hurting. The report, where's the report? I don't know. I'm sorry, I've been up for like 54 hours now, I'm just a bit confused. I believe the guy that reported is going to be maybe that guy in the truck there. My brain is braining, I do apologize.
You're good.
I'll be inside my head for a second.
So, who's the guy that owns the Porsche?
Yeah, I think the one part A is going to be the guy over there by the truck.
Alright.
So yeah.
Well, it looks like... Well, the car got shot to hell, but I don't think the guy did.
Apparently you didn't see anything, they just laying singles on top of the roof or something. I did see a white vehicle, that's what I saw come away from this area when I pulled up, so... I don't know if I let them not.
Yeah.
But if you all go talk to the guy, I just gonna face down, because my brain is not braining properly.
I feel you on that part.
Huh?
I feel you on that part. My brain don't brain either.
I've got to probably do some training in a couple hours as well. Friday. Yeah, maybe let's go talk to him, if you can listen. No, just nod.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get this situated.
I'll let you take the lead, you know. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot what he said. Hey man. Sorry, my brain is not braining very well at the moment.
Okay, so, sir, I'm Deputy Moses with the Los Santos County Sheriff's Office. So, which part of you? Are you like a witness in this, or?
Man, basically, I was just doing a roof over here, okay, on this building right here. I hear some people yelling like they're about to fight, okay? Next thing I know, I hear a car speed off. I don't see the car again. I see that car that's crashed straight into the tree over there, barreling down right past me. My name? My name
Yeah.
Jimmy. Jimmy.
Gimme.
Jimmy.
Jimmy. Last name?
M-E-L.
M-E-L.
E-O-D. Last name.
Can you put that in Starbucks for me, please?
So, do you remember what the guy in the Porsche looked like? Did he
Honestly, I heard shooting. I dropped down and laid on my stomach the whole entire time.
Could you pop your name in Skybox for me, please? And thank you.
That sounds about right.
I mean, what you gonna do if you was in my shoes? You gonna go up and look around, or you gonna drop to the ground?
I'll drop to the ground. Do you at least know what the vehicle that shot at the guy looked like?
No, the shots were going at the car. Like, I think dude jumped out of his car and started shooting at the car. I think it was a stolen car.
Yeah, so you got a very beautiful truck here, sir. Like I said, very beautiful truck.
Actually, the vehicle that was shot. That's fun.
Okay.
So, yeah, boy.
Okay, so like we were saying, do you remember what the second vehicle
Incoming
looked like, or
911 call.
whatever we were at before?
There was no second vehicle, boss.
Okay, so no second vehicle.
Are you good here?
Okay,
I'm gonna go
so,
off that shot fired pool.
do you own what, the tattoo place? I mean, the barber right here.
Nah, I just called to do some work. Just got called to do some work.
Oh, yeah, that's, and the 24/7 is on fire across the street. That's nice. All right.
Can you stop?
Incoming 911 call.
Where's that deputy at?
I'm going to shot fired call, man.
What?
I'm going to shots fired call.
Oh, shots fired call?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
You do 6, man. There's like 19 911 calls and we have no, all our units are in the city, so.
Alright, let's just go to it. Hold up. Don't worry, seatbelt. I'm putting you on. Woo! Finally, some crime. Yeah, I don't think there was nothing that we would be able to do besides do bullet tracings and shit, but that did not mean to DV the vehicle. So right now we're responding to shots fired call. Don't know where at, but looks to be the humane labs we got shots fired at. We're the only ones that will. Oh no, at the biker. Don't worry, I'll take the other way. Holy, I know how to drive. Hey. Okay, I don't know if I hit your car, but on my screen I didn't. But we had a shots fired call.
Yeah, I was trying to get inside, but for some reason the bay doors wouldn't open, so I'm not sure if it's was coming from inside or not, but
Okay.
I don't see anything.
Did it sound like a heavy or like a pistol?
It sounded heavy, but yeah.
Okay. County 345. I got the security guy outside by Postal 325 of the Humane Labs. So, like, Do you think it was like one guy or maybe two? Or somewhere up on the hills, maybe?
I'm not too sure. That's since I couldn't get inside the bay doors, I was gonna go up here around the corner and see if anyone was up on the hills.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you... Actually, if you just want to stay, then yeah.
Okay.
He doesn't... They don't know if the shots were inside or outside the facility lab.
We don't have set currently.
So they could be anywhere. The security guy said that he doesn't know where the shots were fired from, either inside or outside on the mountainside of the Humane Labs. Oh, NPCs. Jackasses. So we're gonna use our spotlight here, so we can try to find the guy easier if there's someone shooting and ram. It's not long. Not really seeing anything. So we're gonna go back. Go to that officer, because I don't see anything. Wait, what happened?
You've been deattached from your assigned call.
Okay, so I don't know what in the hell ass is going on. County 345, I'm going to be at Postal 326 with the shots fired from the 911 call list. Oh, there he is. What are you doing?
Oh, just shooting up the cars.
Why?
Because I can.
Okay, well, you wanna put that gun away?
Yeah.
Alright. And then we can go over to my car and talk more of what's going on.
Come on. Okay. Here, I'm gonna have to get in the
County
car
number 4
'cause
to all
the
units,
weapon
be advised, I
wheel's
got two
broken.
individuals ram into a police cruiser, postal 277.
That's how I get rid of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
one's gonna be a black GTR, one's gonna be a black Mercedes-Benz, license plates 10, red underglow on the GTR, and purple underglow on the Mercedes-Benz.
radio's going crazy for whatever reason when there shouldn't be nothing much going
Be
on.
advised, the purple Mercedes-Benz just switched vehicles in front of me to a GTR with white underglow.
Yeah, I can hear it from here.
Yeah, I don't know why they're in a... I hope it's not a 1080 as a cooldown, but... So, like I was saying, this is the second time I had to come here for the shots.
Yeah.
Now, I just had an L1 report state that there's an ex-employee or something that's dressed up as a Group 6 shooting at cars. And you just admitted to shooting at cars.
Yes.
That's not how it's gonna be. That's not the regulation of what company, of like whatever company you're working for as a security guard.
Well, Humane Labs, fired me, so I wanted to come back and give
County
them
number 4, be advised, I'm on a
a
1011
little
personal
revenge.
277 with one of those GTRs. Can I get additional units?
They're in a
Code 3.
1080. Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna attach to that, of course. Okay, so, you mind just facing away?
Yeah.
Alright.
923 making way.
Right now you're just being detained, you're not being arrested.
Okay.
I'm gonna pat you down before I put you in my cruiser. Is there anything that's gonna poke, stick, or harm me in any way?
Well, I have the gun on my hip.
Okay, stop moving. Oh my god. Okay. Did my pat gun go through, or?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take the gun, place it on the... Okay, you must be built as a tank. Jesus, alright. So your phone's gonna be placed on my... Not your phone, your weapon. Oh, I just...
I don't even know why they're doing the
clicked the wrong button.
1080 when there's a cooldown in the city and the county.
Yeah. Okay, can I... There we go.
And the only way it could be done is if staff approve it, I believe.
Oh wait, I just pressed the wrong button again. Jesus, I'm about done. Okay, you know, just... Okay, I'm just gonna redo this one more time.
County 201 radio check.
Okay.
Load him.
Okay, just...
County 201 back tonight from code 0.
Escort. Face away. So I can do that in there. Okay, now do that and do the first one. There we go. Jesus. Okay. So, what's your first and last name?
No.
Be advised,
Hunter?
that vehicle was a pearlescent red.
Oh, what was that again?
That was next to him was all black.
There you go, Bill Hunter.
Okay. Alright, Hunter, just... I'm gonna run you up. Alright? And then we're gonna go on from there.
County 923 back tonight.
Watch that one. Okay, there we go. Oh, wrong button. Alright. So, do you got a gun license at all, Hunter?
I believe so.
Okay. And then where would I find that at?
Uh-oh. Let me see.
Oh, wait, right there. Okay. So, I gotta find the make and the caliber of your gun.
Okay.
I don't even know if we're able to attain those. Okay. So I believe. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Plain County.
County 46, show me times 1:10:15 from LSPD to Bolingbrook.
Okay, this thing can take however long it wants to load, but we're gonna. So I'm gonna bring you out of here. I'm not gonna place you under arrest. I'm just gonna give you a ticket for discharge of a firearm. So I'm just gonna let you go with that. It's just a simple ticket. I could be arresting you, but I'm not going to. So just stay off the property. I will have to get into contact with the CEO of the Humane Lab, see what they want to do. Have you trespassed on here or not? But
okay.
That will be my doing after if my. Oh, there's my cat fully loaded. Okay, finally. County 345, I'm going to be going 1042, 1070. Y'all have a safe shift.